This video.
An old farmer writes to his son in prison, "This year I won't be able to plant potatoes because I can't dig the field. I know if you were here, you would help me." The son writes back, "Dad, don't even think about digging the field because that's where I buried the money I stole." The police read the letter, and the very next day, the whole field is dug up by the police looking for the money, but nothing is found.
Was created using AI. So, for you to create such videos, you need a tool like Crayo AI. Instead of using ChatGPT, Midjourney, and 11 Labs, Crayo AI combines all the components of ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and Crayo AI. So you'll be able to write your own script and prompt, select the background videos, voice, and music from free templates, and then choose export format and download generated video or script narration. So to create an account, you can check out the link in description. So you can create a split screen video, fake text video, avatar, YouTube downloader, and it comes also with a voice over story. So to get started, you can come and click on ChatGPT videos. Just check out the link in the description, and here you will enter the prompt that you want to generate, and it will give you the image, and that prompt will be in the video. After entering that, you can now click next. You can also add videos, audio. Let's go back and let me show you how it looks like. So with Crayo, we have an editor. You can access your previous projects. You have exports and assets. So you can make fake text videos like this one, and also generate story videos like this one, AI voiceover, and also split screen. I'm sure you have seen this on TikTok. You can also create that and generate ChatGPT videos and also voiceover stories. Let's check out how much you will pay if you want to get started with this platform. So for pricing, it's affordable, and let's check out. So you can see it's $13.3, and you'll be able to make a 40 minutes of export, 30 voiceover minutes, 10 avatar minutes, 100 AI minutes. So for a start, you can pay this, but the most popular one is this one. This especially for short form content. So if you want to have access to Midjourney or Leonardo AI for image generation, and also 11 Labs for voiceover, and ChatGPT for prompts, you can access all here. Check out the link in description if you want to get started with this AI tool that will help you make money creating YouTube shorts.